Okay, so what I'm going to do is today is basically there are some topics, theoretical topic there, which I'm going to cover, but these are not theoretical. They are we can say DevOps topics. So uh, what are the topics here? Let's consider. So there are two topics. First is CI/CD. Then there is containerization, where how to do the containerization and everything, and then orchestration. So three topics are also included in government exam like S2 and other things. So I'm going to cover basic concept here. So let's start one by one. First is CI/CD. What is this CI/CD? So if you go by term, this is continuous and this is integration. Now this is also continuous and this is deployment. But what is this for a layman? Okay, so consider this example. So here if I will run this example, let's start this. See, this is my application. This is something which a app I have developed here, and this app need to be deployed. Okay, publicly or over internet for usage. So there are multiple ways to do it. How we can do it? We just put the code to the server and then we can run. There are also many steps to deploy an app. It is not a simple thing. But as technology grow, so there are some advancement in technology. So CI/CD is nothing but it is that advancement. So we can say here CI/CD is a automation. So what we can do, we don't need to do anything for deployment on server. We just need to do a single click and app will be deployed over internet. So this is called CI/CD. Now if we go in details, this is high level. Whatever app this is, if I want to deploy it on server, so that process is called CI/CD. See, this is a app which is running on local here. So if you see here, this is only running on local, and here we can see that, see, so this is running but not on server. How we can deploy this on server? So that is a process of CI/CD. So when we say CI/CD, so it is nothing but continuous integration and stable of. So basically this is a combination of culture, philosophies, method, tools that enhance an organization ability to deliver application service quickly. But how it is done? These are the main pillar, or we can say main step: code, then build, then integrate, then release, then deploy. Then after that only any application will be able to be deployed on server, and we can say it will be basically available over internet. So this is called CI/CD. It is a part of DevOps, but yeah, in exam they are asking these days these questions because they are migrating there. So when we say continuous integration, it is nothing but automating merge, build, test for code. And then when we say continuous delivery, it is automatically releasing valid code to repo. Repo means GitHub repo, which is like this repo where I can host my code. And then continuous deployment. Then through some tools we can do that. So this is continuous integration, continuous delivery, continuous deployment. These are the three things here. And these are some tools like Docker, Chef, Ansible, Kubernetes. If they say what are these are related to the CI/CD. You can remember this Jira, Git, or Docker. You need to go in detail if you want to learn. But see, if you see Docker, AWS, DC, so they you can use for deploy. But for operation management like configuration server management, SAP, Ansible, Kubernetes. If you want to do the monitoring, then you can use Negois, Splunk, Datadog. Even Prometheus, other are there in market. If you want to do the release, then you have to use this tool Jenkins CodeShip. If you want to test, then you can use JUnit and say. Then if you are a developer, you would be aware about that Maven, SPT. So these are the tool for developing the application. So in short, this is called CI/CD. If we are going in detail, so what we need to do for CI/CD, as I have shown you, so code, build, integrate. So code means this code I have to prepare. Then build means when I'm going to build it, so just like that npm start, this is a JS application. You can use Maven or other tools so you can build your code. Once that is done, then you need to integrate it. Integrate it means like here this is my repo. So here what I am doing is I am just hosting my code there and then I can do that. Once that is done, then part comes and continuous deployment. So here are multiple tools in market. So there are Jenkins, famous one, then CircleCI, then GitLab, then GitHub. What all they are doing is same. They are doing the CI/CD part. How they are doing, I'm just showing you an example here how they can do that. So suppose I have written my code and then I want to deploy it. So what I need to do is I need to create an image for that I will do. I will explain in containerization. But see here, this is my CircleCI file. What it is doing here, I am defining my part. Suppose this is my job, and what I am doing first, building. So build will include Docker image, and this image I am creating. So this is a base image. Then what I need to do, I need to push it to the repo. That part I am defining here, checkout, and then other part. Then I need to deploy it. So that is a very simple pipeline which I had created here. And here I can, what I can do is I can define my code here, dependency there, everything there. And through that, what I will need to do, then I just need to run that pipeline through CircleCI, and it will be basically deployable. So if I show you CircleCI login. Oh, okay, so see, this is my repo here. What I can do is I can create a pipeline there, and through that pipeline, even I had created other one. I don't remember which. Yeah, so they should be here. History, all project. Okay, so yeah, looks like I forgot those which I have used earlier. So yeah, but what we can do, see, suppose I want to create a, CI/CD pipeline, so we can just create here through this one pipeline and then add project. Suppose anything I want to create, so okay, so that is basically I have to check if I have that. I have to set up that as of now, but that will take time, so I don't want to do that as of now. But yeah, I will, if required, I will show you next time. But yeah, this is how we can use this tool. So what it will do, it will automate your process. So if you trigger this click and then you can choose your code, and through that you need to, what you need to do is just run the pipeline, and then after that pipeline it will be deployed. See, I just want to show you the demo. Now this pipeline is running here. See, this is the job build which we had defined, and then another step it will perform, and then it will directly deploy. Where it will deploy is on our server, or where I want to do that. So there it can deploy that. So that is how this pipelines things is working on. But now another part is here, how this pipeline will be built. This is a very big process, but I don't want to waste your time, because this is just for government exam purpose. How to set up a pipeline is altogether very different topic. So now what we need to understand is containerization. So I'm stopping it here. Once this will be completed, I will explain the containerization. Thank you.